Hello, my name is Roberto Santaguida, and I'm a film and video artist of the documentary variety. So it's both a video installation and a rock garden, and they have some connection, but maybe just a tenuous one. The rock garden consists of messages, statements, and confessions that I heard while living on the island. And I don't know, there's like a playful element to it where people kind of, randomly select or randomly find these messages. The video installation is 5 poems for the island, different aspects of the island. This project is a video installation in 5 channels, accompanied by a rock garden. Underneath each rock is a statement, a confession, or just something that I overheard while living on the island. And there's a sort of a playful element involved in like how people select the different statements. The video installation itself is a kind of poem for the island. For me, residency projects, they provide an opportunity to have exchange with people who you would never normally live near or with or spend time with. So in this case, these amazing artists and writers. And also just having a chance to live on this incredibly beautiful, remote, mysterious, sometimes dark, dangerous island has been, a really incredible experience. Yeah, well, I think one of the things that I wasn't expecting was how time moved here on the island. It has a completely different pace than I'm used to. Sometimes a day will feel like a week, and then suddenly a month has passed. It's just really, it's really incredible. I think it's because there are not many distractions or modern life types of distractions. There's a lot of natural beauty, but I was just kind of counting the days through sunsets. You know, that was a ritual that most of us would participate in here. We would go out and see the sunset because it's so clear and easy to see. I don't know if I can speak for other artists, but I can say what I think is important for me when it comes to like working in society. One of the fundamental things in my practice is connecting with other people, working with communities, and without necessarily having a final result in mind, like an exhibition or film. So those moments where we're interacting, doing exercises together, having a good time, that is really what is, that's the reward. So I feel like Gepado is at the end of a cycle and at the beginning of a new cycle. I'm hoping one that keeps the environment roughly the way it is, I hope that I don't come back 20 years from now and there's a mall and hotels here, which is possible. It's one of the most beautiful places I've ever been to. And I think one of the things that is incredible is, even though I would see the same stretches every day, the island is so small, every time it would take my breath away when I would turn certain corners or walk certain paths. It really is a place of infinite beauty. Well, if it was up to me, everything would freeze and it would stay the way it is, because it's almost a reminder of like another time that's passed, and these places are so rare. Things are moving so quickly, changing so fast. It's, I think, like a privilege to be here and to see like how life might have been 40 years ago. So I think that the island should be preserved as it is, if possible, untouched, just as a reminder of how a place used to be.